This is Martin Smith with SDVoE. We're at ISE 2026. I'm at the ADI booth with Brandon Eshelman. Brandon, you've got your Binary MoIP product line on display here. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
I'd be happy to. So what we're looking at is our Binary MoIP ecosystem, and really what we're showing today in this display is the power of the ecosystem and how video and audio can all work together in conjunction with our new episode business music solution. So what I want to highlight here is we've got two product lines, our B-900 series and our B-960 series. A couple of the differences, B-900 is 1 gig, 422 4K30, and B-960 is 10 gig, 444 4K60. So all configurable within OvrC and really creates a flexible, scalable, great future-proof solution.
That's really cool. So when your customers want that uncompressed video, that super low latency, they would go with the 960 series.
Correct.
Excellent. Well, that's really cool. And if people wanted more information on these products, they could just go to your website?
You got it.
All right. Well, thanks, Brandon. Appreciate your time.
Thanks, Mark.